Okay, welcome back. I think we have to use this like this, so that we can have something so that we can actually face work on to this work. Okay. So I think this is the best thing for now. I don't know why it's like that. I don't know. So I'm trying to. Want to post on the link on the group. Issues. So okay, let's go on with the class. Okay, fine. I think I have one person. Ayodele Destiny. Omobolaji, hold on. Sorry, I don't think this will actually show my face. I don't know what is wrong with webcam. I can literally see myself from here, but to it's not connecting to it's not connecting to the webcam. I don't know why. I don't know, probably the network or things like that. So how many of us you can hear me? If you can hear me very well, this you are going to we're going to use it like this so that we can hear me. Then we write it, we reply in form of chat. Reply in form of chat. So if you can hear me, just write I can hear you. Okay, fine. Just write I can hear you so that we can move on. So that we can move on. Wow, wow, beautiful. You can hear me, that's nice. And if the video actually pop up later on, fine. So I'm very, very sorry. I'm very, very sorry for today. It's beyond control. It's beyond control from my end. Yeah. So this is beyond control from my end. I'm really, really sorry for that. I'm really sorry for that. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, fine. So now let us quickly run up with what we need to do so that we can actually end the class because I know we have stayed so long and I don't want to actually delay anybody. At least a lot of us have stayed so long. Now, I need a feedback about what we have. If you are joining the class for the first time, probably people that are coming into the community for the first time, because I think this is the last set we are going to actually accumulate so that we don't have people to pull us back again. So now, if you have anybody just coming in and you have any question from the past videos, you can actually ask. Then, if you are with us already and then you want to tell us part of the problem you have been facing, you can ask the question now. So that we can move with the speed of light. Then I want to know how is the video like? How is our video like? Did you get how to clean? Did you actually understand it? If yes, I want to know. Please write it in the comment section so that I can actually know our feedback. Did you understand the cleaning process, handling missing values and all the process, removing duplicates, sorting out flyers and all like that? So I want to know we actually get all those things, then so we can work with that. So let me see. Okay, Bolaji is saying yes, I understand. Okay, fine. Bolaji is saying yes, I understand everything. Wow, that's beautiful. Now, Bolaji, um have you tried doing laying your hands on the practical aspect of the video? Have you tried laying your hands on the practical aspect of the video? Then El Anan, thank you for your energy. Thank you for your energy. You are here before, then we are back. The videos are quite good. I like them direct, clear, and understanding. So you have done your cleaning. So if you have done your cleaning process, let us see how many of us have done the cleaning. If you have done your cleaning, write on the chat. Let me see. I've done my cleaning. If you have not done your cleaning, tell me I'm about to do my cleaning. I understand that the video actually came very late, then based on admin issue like that. You get so please, if you have done the cleaning process and if you found it easy, write it. I've done the cleaning process. It is nice. Now, if you have issues with the cleaning process, or you tell me I'm not done with the cleaning, I'm having issues with part of the cleaning, then if you have not done it at go, you have not laid your hands. We have two parts: the practical class and the theoretical class. Where the theoretical class where I explain. So if you have not done that, to write it there, let us see how we have moved, so that we know what is if we are moving or not, because that's the best thing. If we are not moving, it doesn't make sense. And then the transfer of knowledge is our aim. So we want everybody to actually flow with us. That's why we actually went a little bit slower for people that are just coming into the community. So I'll be doing something now. Wow, that's nice. That's nice. With that, and okay, and I've done. Wow, I'm clapping for you. Kingsley, how are you? How are you doing? When are we submitting? You have not done your own cleaning process. That's why I asked him when are we submitting. You have not done your own cleaning process. That's why I'm saying when are we submitting? You're about to do your own, Bolaji. Who again? Who again? Let's see. I understand the video came late, but at least I understand the video actually came very late. So, but you know these things still. I want to actually know I'm good. Just that a lot. ah, Kingsley said just that a lot. I understand. Life can be like that. Life is showing us Shiggy too here. We can't actually see our instructor today. So, Usman, you're about to do it because I can't have the practical video due to network issues. I think the network issues is global now. The Lord will help us. No, it's fine. Fine. You can do your cleaning. I'm about to do my cleaning. Oh, good. Now. The Lord will help us. No, it's fine. Fine. You can do your cleaning. I'm about to do my cleaning. Oh, good. God. Okay, fine. It's fine. You can actually do your cleaning process. You can do the cleaning process this week. Then, alongside, because there might be there's the video already ready for the next class because we are going into pivot chart. We're doing an analysis using pivot table. We're doing analysis using pivot chart. Then visualization using dashboard. All those videos are already ready for us to actually learn the process, and it is hot. It is hot. So what we're doing is that data set you have cleaned or you have not cleaned that you will clean. We are going to use those that same data set after cleaning it. So we need to get the cleaning. After cleaning the data set, we are going to analyze that data set using pivot table. Then we are going to show the video using the visuals using pivot chart. Then we are going to create a dashboard. We are going to I will show us some things in just in a few minutes so that we can see that. So please, now, apart from you doing the videos, apart from you doing the practical aspect, the did you get the process of handling data that are messy? Did we get it? Did we get a process of handling those data that are messy? Did we get that? Please, I need a feedback. I want us to, because me, I like when when students basically can actually get explaining what I'm explaining. Did you actually get the process very well? Did you get the process and all like that? Okay, I get that. Please, am I still on with people? I don't know if it's is it me or the network. I'm about to get to do my clinic. Okay, please do. If you have any question, please let me know. Fine. If you have any question on the techniques of data cleaning, okay. I feel some of us, because probably because you can't see me. I don't know. Is it my network? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That's what I said. We are going to use pivot table to analyze the tasks attached to the file. And for the cleaning, I get the process very well. Yes, that's what we are going to do. So now, yes, we are going to use those ones to show that. Okay, fine. Again, do we have any question? Yes, I guess apart from us seeing the screen, apart from us seeing this, can we see my screen? Should we see my screen basically? Um, the data cleaning in Excel and all. So so let me show us few things. Please don't forget. No, you're not the only you are the only one hearing the audio. Like, it is the audio, sorry, the video is like that. So I intentionally did it like this so that we can actually see that people they are working. Beautiful, you can see my screen. Then the data cleaning techniques that I told to us, I told her that data cleaning is the place of identifying and correcting errors, inconsistencies, and inaccuracies like that. Now, the techniques that we actually use basically, we have removing duplicate, handling missing values, standardized data format, correcting typos, removing irrelevant data, and then filtering out outliers. Now, all these things, all this data cleaning, please take note that all this data cleaning are, are actually um, involved in any of the software. If you are using Excel, if you are using um, If you are using Excel, if you are using any software, if you are using any software, if you are using any software, if you are using Excel, if you are using that, if you are using Power BI, if you are using SQL, this is how you are going to handle your missing values. You understand? So if you handle your missing values like that, and you remove the duplicate number one, your missing values, you can actually use your mid, your mean or your mode. You get, then depending now, if it's your mean is going to be the average. Basically, it's going to be in numbers. Why mode is going to be um probably in text. Fine. If you want to replace that. So then standardizing errors too. Standardizing errors too. Now let me see. Now, I said data cleaning is the process of identifying and correcting errors, inconsistencies, inaccuracies in data set. Then I said that good. So if we understand this process, like the process of removing duplicates, handling missing values, standardizing data formats, like placing it in the right way, fine, you will actually get what you need to solve in your problem. That's that on that. Now I'm going to stop sharing this one. Now I want to show us how I want to show us how the future looks like for us. That some of us have cleaned us, some of us have not cleaned us. Now this is what we are going to be doing. We are going to use it to solve some task I sent to us. Then we are going to be creating something like this, a pivot table like this. Then we are going to do pivot chart also. Okay, where did I put my pivot chart table? Okay, I removed it from here. So we are going to have your pivot table. Then it's going to be this your data you use to solve this task. You have your pivot table and all. So let me tell you how the pivot table is going to look like. So please, you need to actually clean up your data. You need to clean up your data so that we can have a very good um, dashboard analysis. Now, note this: if you have any question concerning cleaning your data, please tell me later. Now, I'm trying to show us what we are going to go into like that. I'm done with the dashboard. I don't want to play the dashboard now. This is the data. Please, if you are seeing my screen, tell me you can see my screen. If you can see my screen, tell me you can. I need to know so that I'm communicating. So if data cleaning, please let me know now. I can see your screen. Fine, me. Thank you. Please, if you can see my screen, so that it will not look as if I'm the only one talking to myself. I want to be sure so that we know. Oh, oh, nice, nice. So if you have cleaned your data will look like this. You get it will look like that. So when we are done cleaning, you are going to use this task to actually solve these pivot tables. You are going to make this. I'll teach you all these ones. They are already ready. Teach us how to make all these ones to make tables. Then we are going to be creating some chart. This chart is just a minor. This is just creation of just chart. There is no editing and all like that. Then we are going to be creating a wireframe. This is a wireframe. This is a wireframe. Then the wireframe that actually shows how we are going to be creating our dashboard so that you can relate like this. You understand. So now this is it. Before we start doing, before we start doing before we start doing, sorry, permit me to use this word, before we start doing ojukokoro to the ojukokoro to the future, please watch the cleaning process. Do your cleaning, format it well like this. If you have any question, reach out to me so that we can get to solve the questions. So when we solve the questions. If you have any question, reach out so that we solve it. When we solve it, because if you don't format it well, you'll not be able to see, you'll not be able to work out your analysis well, your task, your pivot table, your chart, and then your dashboard. You understand? So please, I want us to do that. Now, because of time, I will want us to ask our questions. Please ask your questions now. In the cleaning process, ask your question in the cleaning process. Please, if you have any question, please. These are the things we'll be doing. We'll be formatting this one. Let me show you something. When we are done with the analysis, we'll be doing something. We'll be working with. Let me just hold on. You have your videos will just speak. Your video will speak more of something dynamic than all this one. Okay. So now let's have questions. Let's have questions. Before we go into the next thing, so that we can end our question and answer today. For the cleaning process, what are the questions you want to ask, please? What are the questions you want to ask? The one I showed you, the one I show you, the video is ready. You're going to see them. So that's that. But you need to understand the cleaning process. Then you need to get to clean your data. Fine, please, I need questions so that we can actually end this live section. We can actually go and relax. Network showed us a little bit shaky today, but we still move. Please, any question? Okay. Bolu is saying the network at our side is very bad. I guess the network issue is everywhere. Everywhere. So now let's ask. If you don't have any question, just write no question, no question on your cleaning process. So this is what we are going to do. Please, everybody, go and watch the video, clean it, save it. So you will now work on it for the next process, that is pivot table. Then we do the pivot chart, then we do our dashboard, wireframing, and all that. Please, any question so that we can leave. Any question, please just tell me if there's any question. Any question, any question, please write. No questions. One, I need like 4 or 5. We are close to 11 on this video, on this live section. I need like 5 to 6 people to tell me no questions, so that I'll be rest assured that we can fly with our data cleaning. So I'll be rest assured we can fly with our data cleaning. Where is the video? The video is online. Rebecca, it's week 4, part 2. The video is online. Okay, fine. Ademola is saying no question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we are good to go. Okay, fine, fine. So far we don't have any question. So far we don't have any question. So we are good to go. So I want us to go and watch it. Oh, like okay, fine. For the sorting, Lagos or Lagos are assumed to be the same. Yes. Now let me just drop this a few things. The reason why you need to format like that is because you will not get the right response. Sometimes if you are collecting your data probably from Cocoa 2 box, or probably you are collecting it from Google Form, the way some people actually to respond to their questionnaire is actually different, or the way people actually get their data is different. Or probably you are bringing it from web, and then on web you have it as a small letter, or then there's a missing letter and all like that. you will need to actually fix those ones. And I told us in the video, I said data cleaning is 80% of your analysis. If you can do your data cleaning very well, you will not have issues with your analysis. You'll be able to just use probably your pivot chart and the pivot table very well. You get, but if you don't have it formatted well, you will not be able to do it well. So the truth be told, if you're doing your analysis, you're going to spend a lot of time with data clearing. Yes, data clearing, because it's 80% of data analysis. So that is that on that, like that. So we have to format it in such a way that we can easily access it, and then Excel can easily understand it. Don't worry, when we go further, you understand better. Without wasting much time, I think we need to go now. If you have any, I don't think we have any question. Please watch the video, do your cleaning. If you are done with your cleaning, keep your file and hold on for the next video where you're going to be using your videos to create your tables. Then after your tables, we go to the chart. Then chart will go to your dashboard, will go to your wireframe, and all like that. Now, without wasting much time, hope I'm not too fast. Without wasting more time, if you have learned something from this class, if I've learned something from this Q&A, just reply, just say I thank you so that we can leave. Thank you so much for waiting, irrespective of the issue with the network. Thank you so much for waiting. So let's see, let's see other things. Let's see. So if you don't have any question, I think we need to call it a day. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think we need to call it a day. I have 1 minute, then we leave the live section. Oh wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for waiting till this time. I understand that um I understand that network can be funny sometimes. Okay, fine, fine. I think we are good to go. I think we are good to go. Thank you so much, everybody. See you next time. Now, if you have issues with your Excel, you don't have your Excel stuff like that software, let's talk, so you can reach out so that we solve other problems. And if you need anything concerning this class, please let me know, especially when it comes to Excel like that. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. There's someone also asked that if you want to reach out for extra or personal class, it's fine. You can actually do that. Just reach out. It's fine. So now let's fly. See you when we see. So thank you so much.